The goal of this step is to connect dream, energy field, and posture into one relaxed and unified state through the phrase, "Where is my dream to rest?" The word dream connects you to your needs and desires, the storyline of the musical form, and the pace of the timing. The words to rest bring this dream energy into the body through the energy field and posture. The energy field should feel expansive and vast, like sinking into a warm bath. In softer dynamics, the energy becomes lighter and more transparent, like fog. In stronger dynamics, it becomes denser and warmer. This energy may also shift higher or lower depending on the register of the music. Within this energy field, allow the posture to become relaxed yet steady. The crown of the head gently lifted upward, the chin slightly lowered, and the shoulders and thighs loose. Continue gently echoing the guiding question inwardly until your attention settles primarily on the words dream and rest, allowing the remaining words to gradually fade into the background. Use this question only as a tool for entering or re-entering the zone. Once the state is established, let the question disappear naturally. Repeating it unnecessarily after entering the flow may interrupt the experience. Always maintain the correct sequence of focus: dream, your needs, form, and timing. Then add the energy field and posture with relaxed shoulders. Beginning with posture can disturb the balance of the experience and create a more fragmented, unfocused state. The goal of this step is to connect dream, energy field, and posture into a relaxed and free state. At this stage, it becomes important to translate conceptual terms, such as dream, musical form, and timing, into direct feeling. The practice is no longer about thinking the words themselves, but about sensing the feelings they represent in the correct sequence. For example, instead of internally saying dream, form, timing, you might feel peaceful, beginning, animated. The energy field manifests in the body as a light, warm, and soft sensation beneath the upper arms. It is important to understand that during louder dynamics and denser musical textures, shifting into a denser and warmer energy field can greatly support powerful yet effortless forte playing. By contrast, maintaining a more transparent and light energy field in those intense passages may create a sensation of weakness in the hands, leading to excessive finger effort and unnecessary tension in order to produce forte sound. In the rest step, it is important to maintain the correct order of attention. First, sense the energy field. Only then, within that field, become aware of posture. Beginning with posture may disturb the unity and continuity of the rest state. You may slightly refine the posture. Instead of lifting only from the crown of the head, gently raise the area of the third eye and allow the chin to lift slightly as well. This subtle adjustment can later support greater openness and freedom in step 3, helping expression feel more natural and effortless. Also pay attention to the position of the eyes. Find a comfortable balance and natural angle for the gaze. Let the eyes rest softly downward and slightly to the side, creating a calm, simple, and composed presence. You may also allow the head to tilt slightly toward the register you are playing in, helping the posture and position of the eyes feel more natural and comfortable. Begin by repeating different sections of the piece 3 to 5 times. Single sentences, groups of 2, 4, or 8 sentences, and eventually the entire piece or several pages at once. At this stage, the goal is not full memorization, but developing the correct inner sensations and learning to remain within the artistic state while playing. Before playing, first focus on the dream, your needs, form, and timing. Then add the energy field and posture with relaxed shoulders. Rest involves more than energy field and posture alone. It represents the merging of the dream energy with the physical state of the body. When connecting to the dream element, it may help to experience the timing physically rather than only imagining it mentally. One way to do this is through breathing aligned with the inner pulse. Exhale on the stronger beats and inhale on the lighter beats of the chosen timing. Taking 3 full breaths in this way can already help the heartbeat settle into the frequency and character of the intended tempo. Once you begin playing, however, there is no need to continue consciously focusing on the breathing, as this may distract from the main focus of step 1. Use it only as an initial preparation. Mentally play through the piece while maintaining the right inner sensations, keeping the posture aligned, and gently shaking the shoulders to deepen relaxation. After this mental preparation, you are ready to play. Think of the mind as a highly responsive system. When given clear instructions, it naturally begins to follow them. For this reason, before playing, become completely clear about the inner state you want your mind and body to enter. During playing, distracting thoughts may begin to cloud your focus. Thoughts about the past or future, or attention shifting toward unrelated musical elements such as sound texture or phrasing. Your main task is simply to return to the central question whenever you feel yourself leaving the zone. Where is my dream to rest?